yellow beans.
About 16 pounds.
Gotta give her a little more beans.
20.
Dropping back down there.
Huh?
Dropping back down. No, you can keep it where it's at. I was gonna see where it was gonna drop to.
Drop the. Give it more gas.
Yeah, give her some beans there.